Magandang araw, Coach Cal. Arellano University seeking for their win number 1. At itong LPU naman will try to get their win number 2. Back-to-back.
Yes, mahirap mapunta ron sa dulo na yan ng team.
Binoya inbounding to Dre Miller. Miller finally scoring.
Pull up, no? Hindi kayo pwede talaga after a pick and roll, walang show dun sa tira na yon. Kabisado ni Miller yon.
Last game, 0 points itong si Dre Miller right now. He got his first 2 points of the game. Siya ang nakauna rito para sa Arellano. Aviles gets it to the cutting.
Yes, nice backdoor. Nice read, Simon. No, ganda ng basa ni Simon doon.
Great cut there by Simon Peñafiel. Now Arellano, Libang with the ball. Susubok mag-handle. Gets it to Binoya. From the three, it's good.
Mukhang hindi pa natapos sa last game yung shooting, yung hot hand ni Binoya.
Maclon from the corner. Hindi makakasagot. Arellano with the ball. Dre Miller gets it to Binoya. 15 to shoot for the Arellano. Valencia. Binoya once again from the tree. Back-to-back three-pointer.
Mukhang hindi pa tapos si Binoya.
First season 100 win. Dagdag pa ni Coach Chico Manabat, this is the pressure na kailangan namin. Dapat nakafocus sila sa game, nandoon sila at maglalaro sila as a team. Sa kabilang
ganda ng binibigay na pressure ng Arellano eh. Yan, to counter those pressures, talagang kailangan mo namang kunin yung mga backdoor na yan.
As Peñafiel scoring his 4th point of the game. Valencia gives it to Libang from the corner. Nope. Aviles with the rebound.
Yes, nice drive and kick. Sayang hindi na na-complete yung tira na yon.
Montaño from the tree.
Transition 3. No, transition 3. Kailangan talaga mag-locate kagad ang Arellano when they're...
Aviles gives it to Guadagna. Great pass.
Sorry miss by Guadagna. Ganda nung seal niyang yon. Hindi lang na-complete.
As Ongotan take advantage. Barba answers back. 6 points for Barba. Kapapasok lang pero 6 na puntos na. 1 from him sa LPU Pirates. But Barba decides to take it 3.
Actually, yung coaches na pag... No. Bilang yes. Nung na 3 points, okay na rin. Good shot na rin.
Still here by Palingayan. LPU with the run there. And after the break,
minsan yung pagcambio sa rotation, yun ang mahirap eh. Another group, biglang bumabagsak eh. So kailangan tuloy-tuloy maging consistent.
Yung si Basti scoring off of fadeaway, alam natin, matagal na itong si Basti sa Arellano. Alam niya ang gagawin sa mga ganitong pagkakataon.
Ang ano natin ngayon, yung role ng mga players, very important talaga. Kailangan ma-establish kung sino ba leader, sino defender, sino scorer.
And now this is the biggest lead for LPU, 35-22 as Dre Miller sinks a 3-pointer there.
Laking bagay yung 3 points ni Miller na yun. Medyo lumalayo yung LPU. That's the 7th point of Miller.
Time to shoot. Villegas decides to take a 3. Mintes Estacio with the board.
It's a top shot for the LPU.
Basti Valencia.
Yan ang dapat gawin ng Arellano, tumakbo ulit.
6 points para rito kay Basti Valencia. Daileg against Binoya. Nako, kumagat pero hindi tumama.
Nice challenge, no? Binoya stay disciplined. Hindi niya binaba yung kamay niya. Nice challenge.
Another great find from Miller. Kanina pa natin nakikita yung mga pasa ni Miller na yan, Coach.
Oh, ganda. Actually, ilang points ngayon na coming from transition. So, pwede talaga i-take advantage kasi ang bibilis nila eh.
Kaya talagang ipinapasok na lang sa ilalim. As Miller tatakbo kasama si Borromeo. Blocked there by Villegas.
It's a good attempt for Arellano. Kailangan pa rin nila tumakbo. Tuloy pa rin nila yon.
LPU, Villegas from the corner. Mintis lang doon. Look at Villegas. Look at the dive by Borromeo.
Yan ang NCAA basketball.
Valencia. Zigzagging.
Nice move.
Fouled on that attack.
Nice move.
And look at this. Blocked by Renz Villegas. An aerial battle there.
Ganda ng timing eh, no? Nanaig lang talaga.
Niya. De derecho, gives it to Aviles. Bitawan ng bola. Great hands there from Kamay. Kamay, all the way.
Yan ang buhay talaga nila. Kailangan nilang tumakbo ng tumakbo. I-push yung bola.
Peñafiel spins, drops it off. Di ko alam kung sinadya yun. Meron pang kasamang foul. Tignan natin itong broken play. Steal by Kamay. Kamay all the way. For an easy two. Ito naman, drop pass. Itong mga taga-LPU. Montaño. Ilalis naman. Montaño. Against Kamay. Mismatch.
Ganda, na-recognize kagad nila yung mismatch na yun.
Drop to shoot. Binoya steps back from the three. That's his third three-point shot.
Nakasabi ko lang, nanlalamig ata. Pinakita niya.
A steal here by Binoya. Tatakbo ng Arellano. Kamay gives it to Ongotan.
Nice pass. Nice pass. Very unselfish, no? Very creative.
Arellano is now just down by 4. Gordon with the ball. Gives it to Palingayan. 7 to shoot for the red shirt. 20 seconds remaining in this game. Gordon. Complete turnover for the LPU Pirates.
Pinupuntahan ngayon ng LPU yung mga mismatches. Nagkakaroon ng switch. Pinupuntahan ng mismatches pero hindi na natin take advantage. I-credit din natin yung defense ng Arellano ron.
A chance for the last shot for Arellano University. 16.8 seconds. Liba gives it to Kamay. Sabi niya saglit lang. 10 seconds for Arellano. Binoya fakes. 4 seconds. Binoya. Pull up. No. Ongotan with the basket. And the foul.
Offensive rebound na naman. Ang dami na ng ilang puntos na ba yan nakuha nila dyan? Ang dami na.
Mac Ongotan. Let's see this. Binoya.
Masakit doon. Patapos na yung oras. No? Paubos na yung oras.
And look at that jump by T-Mac Ongotan. You won't be called T-Mac for not. As Ongotan will get this ball for the Arellano. Geronimo. Magmimintes, bumalik para kay Geronimo.
Pag ang backcourt mo, si Ongotan at Geronimo talagang
Para rito sa LPU as Montaño sinking another 3.
iba rin to si Montaño. Kaya niya ring stretch yung floor.
Well, Gray will try to shoot a jump shot and foul. Tumila pa sa kanyang tatay. Nakita natin yun.
Akala ko bad shot na eh, no? Nandun yung defense, pero kaya niya pa rin tumira kahit may better offense pa rin ang ginawa ni Miller.
And look at this spin by Binoya. But good thing, T-Mac Ongotan is there once again to clean up his mess.
Oo, tinanong niya si Dahilig, anong height mo, Dahilig?
And this jump shot by Dre Miller. Nakatalikod, pero nakita natin yun. Tumila kay Willie Miller. Who's in the Coach Chico Manabat kanina for Dre Miller. Kailangan hanapin yung goal niya. Ang goal niya is facilitator, but right now he's scoring. As Dahilig, nilipad, pero magtinitis doon.
Case ng Arellano eh.
Arellano, fast break. Miller gives it and scoring.
Iba rin yung jeans kasi neto.
Susubok sa labas. Villegas finally answering the call for LPU.
Ganda ng down pick kay Villegas, kaya siya na-open. Kapag ganun mga tinitira nilang shot selection.
Abiera. 1 minute, 30 seconds remaining in this third quarter. Borromeo, lilipad, mintis doon. Ito ng LPU. Villegas scored a 3-pointer before this possession. They're down 63 to 55. 10 to shoot for the red shirt. Villegas, a 5-0 run.
Mukhang dalawang beses na nila pinuntahan si Villegas at Aviles dito sa ball screen handoff, pick and roll. That's his 10th point of Villegas.
Valencia. Pabibitawan. Spins. Hitting the shot clock para rito kay Basti Valencia.
$13 points for Valencia. Ang dami nagko-contribute sa Arellano. Hindi mo alam kung sino.
Ayan, ang break ng Arellano. Itong depensa. Basti Valencia.
Nice press break by the Arellano. They stay composed. Hinanap nila yung mga open. Hindi sila nagpanic.
15 points for Basti Valencia. Great pass. Great caught by Patrick Pinoya.
Nagiging patient na sila eh. Siguro nga ito yung lesson na nakuha nila sa 3 games na pagkatalo nila right, no? Kaya lang sayang.
Complete steal for LPU. Ato Barba.
Na-jigs ko ata si Ongotan.
Ito yung depensa ng LPU. Medyo humihigpit na. As take it inside. Mintes Daileg will be fouled. And the basket para rito kay Daileg.
Ito na naman yung tanong natin. Mahuhold ba ng Arellano?
With the basket at may foul bang kasama ron? I told you, Coach, Maverick Pinoya could be that guy, could be that leader for Arellano Chiefs in the end game. What a shot there.
Si Pinoya naka 10 points na ngayong 4th quarter. Baka eto na nga yung player na sinasabi.
Mintis lang doon. But LPU is still with the possession. Montaño from the three! Montaño tying this game up. We thought Arellano could go all the way. It's the 4th.
For sure. Oh no!
Dre Miller will be called for a backcourt.
Mukhang nagkakramp si Miller. Kasi walang ginagawa si Cunanan. Nawala lang yung bola. Yung pala nagka-cramps na.
You wanted to love. Gives it to Guadagna. Guadagna will fire from the tree. He can't make it. And we will go to overtime.
Ganda. First work mo today. Overtime agad.
Nabinyagan. Ball. Gives it to Barba. Will try from the tree. Finally for Barba. And LPU is now up by 2. 84-82.
Cool na cool lang si Barba eh. Nakikita mo yung mukha niya. Walang pagbabago. Convert. Hindi pa siya nagsa-celebrate eh.
Yan ang pinag-uusapan natin kanina. Arellano will be losing this ball once again. Same game. Ang same
story.
Ang nangyayari, same story ang nangyayari dito sa Arellano. 10 to shoot for the red shirt. Peñafiel to Barba. He made the 3 earlier. Barba spins. Drives and shoots para rito sa LPU.
Grabe si Barba.
Barba. When you need a shot, just call his name. Ato Barba. Marami pang gagawin for Arellano. Basti Valencia drives to the basket.
Ganda, may free lane kinuha ni Basti. Talagang ganda ng pagkakaiwas niya.
Basti Valencia, nung nakaraan dito, Ongotan sa pumunta, 10 to shoot for Arellano. Nakawala! Itong si Jeronimo.
Muntik na maubos yung shot clock doon. Buti na lang, nagawa nila ng paraan. Ang ganda ng atake ni Jeronimo na yon.
30 seconds remaining. Gives it to Montaño. To the corner, Guadagna, 4 to shoot. Guadagna fires a jumper. It's goal! Maclad Guadagna. Arellano will try once again. 5 seconds. Basti Valencia from the tree. No good. And LPU Pirates survives another close game in this NCAA Season 100. Winning this game against Arellano University. 90-86. Grabe. Coach Ralph.
Nakikita ko si Coach Chico, alam mo yung frustration, nakikita mo yung frustration sa mukha niya.